In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a list of luxury homes with PropWire. Finding luxury properties can be useful for different types of businesses, marketing campaigns, and real estate research. PropWire allows you to narrow down properties based on location, value, and other property details, making it easier to create a more targeted list. To begin, open your PropWire account and go to the main dashboard. Before creating your search, keep in mind that the definition of a luxury property depends heavily on the market you are searching in. A luxury home in one area may have a completely different value compared to a luxury home in another market. Because of this, it is important to understand the typical property values in your target area before setting your filters. Once you are ready, choose your farming area. This can be a city, zip code, or county depending on the market you want to research. Enter your location into the search bar and select the correct area from the results. After selecting the location, PropWire will display the number of properties available in that market. The next step is to narrow the results based on the types of properties you consider luxury in that specific area. For example, in some markets, luxury properties may mainly consist of single-family homes, while in other areas, condos or townhouses may also qualify. Select the property type that matches your market. For this example, choose single-family homes. Next, review the general property values in the area to determine what price range should represent luxury homes. Once you understand the typical values, use the price filter to set a minimum estimated property value. Enter a higher minimum value to remove lower-priced properties and focus on more expensive homes. If the results are still too large, continue increasing the minimum price until you have a more manageable list. After narrowing down the price range, open the additional filters and adjust the owner settings. If you prefer working with private homeowners, select the individual owner option. You can also use property filters to make the list more specific. For example, you can set minimum requirements for the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, or building square footage. These filters can help identify larger, higher-value properties that better match your definition of luxury. After applying the filters and saving the changes, PropWire will update the results and provide a much smaller list of properties that meet your criteria. That's how you can find a list of luxury homes using your PropWire account. By combining location, price, ownership, and property filters, you can create a focused list of luxury properties that fits your specific market and goals.